Model, 63-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2.0 Cdti silver sportive brakes need repairing no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 171708. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5, B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Brakes don't work. ABS light on the dash. This needs a new ABS pump module replacement. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air-con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.